Morning children, I am Mubina Inamdar. In today's video I am presenting Social Studies for class 5 on lesson the Tundra region. In our previous class we learned about Tundra region, location, the Arctic tundra and the Antarctica tundra, the Alpine tundra, and we learn about climate, land of the midnight sun, permafrost, very cold, and vegetation, small plants, no trees, and animal life. In animal life we have seen different kinds of animals: Arctic fox, Arctic hare, walrus, musk ox, Arctic tern, penguin, husky, and polar bear, seal, caribou, whale. Today we are going to learn inhabitants. Inuits of Alaska, Sami of Scandinavia, and challenges: harsh climate, animal migration, routes disturbed, melting of permafrost. Children, we learn the Tundra region is located at extreme north and south of the earth near the two poles, North Pole and South Pole, and it is lies between 60 degree north and 70 degree north, and in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere it is 60 degree south and 70 degree south. The Tundra region derives its name from the Finnish word Tuntoria, meaning land without trees. It is also known as frozen. The word tundra refers only to the areas where the subsoil is permanently frozen. This subsoil is called permafrost. The Tundra region receives 6 months of mild sunlight while the other 6 months are dark. In Tundra region shows typically characteristics of low temperature and very short growing seasons, scanty precipitations, severe winters are long and severe cold. So in our previous class we learned these. In today we are going to learn inhabitants. The harsh climate and sparse vegetation make human habitation difficult in the tundra. The Arctic tundra is inhabited by the Inuit of Alaska, the Sami of Scandinavia, and the other native tribes. Traditionally, their occupation include hunting, reindeer herding, and fishing. The resources are very limited, and the people have to make the most of them, as there is hardly any vegetation on the people here are mostly meat eaters. They hunt seals, walruses, whales, and other fish for their meat. The skin of the animal is used for making boats called kayaks. Dog sledges and kayaks are a good way of getting around, especially for accessing areas which are not well connected. The fur and skin of the hunted animals are used to make clothing. The fat of seals and whales is called blubber. People use it as food and as fuel. In this way, an animal that has been hunted, it is utilized completely. There was a time when most people in the Arctic lived in winter homes called igloos. Igloos were built with blocks of ice in summers. When the ice melted, the people moved into tents made from animal skin. Now most of the Arctic tundra has developed. Igloos are few and far between. People have access to gas, electricity, and modern housing. Roads and airports have been built for better connectivity. Motorboats are used for fishing. Unlike the Arctic tundra, the Antarctic tundra has no native inhabitants. Tourists come and go, but there are few permanent residents. Most of these are scientists who have set up base to conduct their studies. At the start of winter, most people leave the island and head to the mainland. Being a very cold and icy region, the people here lead a challenging life and are mostly nomads who are on the move most of the time. The different areas of the tundra region are inhabited by various indigenous group of people. Inuit of Alaska, the Sami of the Scandinavia, and other native tribes. Occupation of the tundra region are hunting, reindeer herding. Reindeer herding means reindeer is an animal of tundra region. Herding is a process of animal farming. And fishing. The resources are very limited in tundra region, hardly any vegetation, so people of tundra eats mostly meat. They hunt seals, walruses, whale and other fish meat. Skin of animals are used to make boats and those boats are called kayaks. Dog sledges and kayaks are good way of moving around, especially for areas which are which are not well connected. Fur and skin of the hunted animals used to make clothes. Fur means layer of soft hair of animals and fat of whales sails is called blubber and people use it as food and as fuel and hunted animal is utilized completely in this way. And the winter homes are called igloos. It built with blocks of ice. In summer, when the ice melts, the people moved into tents which are made up of animal skin. Now, most of the Arctic tundra has developed. Igloos are few and far between. People have access to gas, electricity, and modern housing. Road and airports have been built for better connectivity. Motorboats are used for fishing. Unlikely, the Arctic tundra and the Antarctic tundra has no native inhabitants. Tourists come and go, but there are few permanent residents. Most of these are scientists who have set up base to conduct their studies. At the start of winter, most people leave the island and head to the mainland. Now, challenges. The tundra may have a harsh climate, but the environment there is delicate. Of late, the Arctic tundra has become accessible. People are moving there to work in mines and in oil industries. Newtons and roads are being built to accommodate the, the growing population. This interferes with the animals living there. Many animals' migration routes are disturbed because of the new constructions. The industries also release pollutants that harm the permafrost, causing it to melt. Today, tundra region people live a much better life to their basic and essential needs being provided for due to better communication and transportation. Tundra have harsh climate, but the environment there is fine. Arctic tundra has become accessible. People work in mines and oil industries. New towns, roads are built. This interferes with animals living there. Many animals' migration routes are disturbed because of new construction. Industries release pollutants, harms the permafrost to melt. Why is the permafrost melting harmful? The tundra region has been like a carbon absorber for the world. The ice there absorbs a lot of carbon dioxide that we release in the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels. If the ice melts, less amount of carbon dioxide will be absorbed. This will harm the Earth's climate and cause global warming. Global warming in turn will cause more ice to melt and more of the tundra environment to be harmed. Tundra region is like a carbon absorber for the world. The ice They absorb a lot of carbon dioxide that we release in the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels. If the ice melts, less amount of carbon dioxide will be absorbed. So this will harm the Earth's climates and cause global warming. Global warming in turns will cause more ice to melt and more of the tundra environment to be harmed. By this, our today's chapter is over. The tundra region. New words. Carbio, a kind of deer. Scandinavia, a region comprising Norway, Sweden, Denmark and Finland. Migration, seasonal movement of animal from one region to another. Pollutant, a substance that pollutes the atmosphere. Tick right mark the correct option to complete each sentence. Sweden is located in the dash tundra. Antarctic, alpine, Arctic, subantarctic. Correct answer is Arctic. The boats built by the people in the Arctic tundra are called ferries, kayaks, gondolas, luges. Correct answer is kayaks. Third one. The breed of dogs that pull sledges in the Arctic tundra is the Husky, Labrador, Mastiff, Terrier. Correct answer is Husky. The dash is a bird found exclusively in Antarctica. Tern, snowy owl, emu, penguin. Correct answer is penguin. The fat of whales and sails is called dash. Flubber, rubber, blubber, scrubber. Correct answer is blubber. Tick right mark the true statements and cross mark the false ones. The alpine tundra is located only in the Himalaya. Correct. Put right mark. Summers in the tundra region are longer than winters. Wrong. The tundra region has no trees. Correct. Arctic tundra dwellers are mostly vegetarians. Wrong. The Antarctic tundra has more human population than the Arctic tundra. Wrong. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Describe the vegetation of the tundra region. Second one, what kind of fauna is found in the Arctic tundra? What is alpine tundra? Why are animal migration routes disturbed in the Arctic tundra? Answer these questions. Next is answer the following questions into 2 to 3 sentences. What is the tundra? Where is located? And second one is an animal hunted in the tundra is used completely. Explain how. Why is it essential to not disturb the permafrost of the tundra? List 2 difference between the Arctic tundra and the Antarctic tundra. Children, answer these questions and do this exercise and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.